Did you know a well-placed skylight can boost natural light by 30%? That's a game changer. Imagine waking up to the gentle rays of the sun streaming into your living room, filling every corner with a warm, golden glow. It's like bringing a piece of the sky right into your home. Skylights are not just functional, they transform spaces, making them feel more open and alive. We all know a bright room feels bigger and more welcoming. Skylights do just that. They create an illusion of space, making even the smallest rooms feel expansive and airy. The natural light that pours in through a skylight can highlight the beauty of your interiors, from the texture of your walls to the colors of your furniture. It's like having a spotlight that enhances everything it touches. They flood your home with sunshine, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space where you feel comfortable and at ease. Imagine sitting in your favorite chair, a book in hand, with the sun's rays gently warming you. It's a simple pleasure that can make a big difference in your daily life. It's not just about looks, though. Skylights have practical benefits, too. They can help reduce your reliance on artificial lighting, which can lower your energy bills. Plus, they provide excellent ventilation, helping to keep your home fresh and cool. It's a win-win situation for both your wallet and your comfort. Natural light does wonders for our well-being. It's been proven to boost our mood, improve our sleep patterns, and even enhance our ability to focus. When you have more natural light in your home, you're not just improving the look of your space, you're enhancing your quality of life. It boosts mood, improves sleep, and even helps us focus. Think about how you feel on a sunny day compared to a gloomy one. That same effect can be brought into your home with a skylight. It's like having a little piece of sunshine indoors, lifting your spirits and energizing your day. So when you bring more of it into your home, you're not just brightening your space, you're boosting your health and happiness too. It's an investment in your well-being. Every time you look up and see the sky, you'll be reminded of the beauty and benefits that natural light brings. Now, you might be thinking, Mike, isn't that a bit much for a window on the roof? But trust me, it's so much more than that. A skylight is a gateway to a brighter, more vibrant home. It's an architectural feature that adds value and charm to your living space. Trust me, folks, skylights are more than just windows. They're portals to a brighter, healthier, and more energy-efficient home. They can help you save on energy costs by reducing the need for artificial lighting and heating. Plus, modern skylights are designed to be energy efficient, keeping your home insulated and comfortable year-round. Let's dive into why I believe every homeowner should consider these incredible additions. From the aesthetic appeal to the health benefits and energy savings, skylights offer a multitude of advantages. So if you're looking to transform your home and enhance your lifestyle, a skylight might just be the perfect solution. We've all experienced that feeling of walking into a dark, dreary room. It's instantly draining, isn't it? Now imagine the opposite, a space filled with warm, natural light. It's uplifting, inviting, and makes everything feel fresh and new. That's the magic of natural light, and it's something skylights deliver in spades. Sunlight streaming in from above brightens every corner, even those stubborn, dark spots that lamps struggle to reach. But it's not just about aesthetics. Natural light has a profound impact on our well-being. Studies have shown that exposure to daylight can improve mood, regulate sleep cycles, and even boost productivity. So, by incorporating skylights into your home, you're not just making a design statement, you're investing in a healthier, happier you. Now let's talk about something near and dear to every homeowner's heart: saving money. In today's world where every penny counts, finding ways to cut down on expenses without sacrificing comfort is a top priority for many families. Whether it's through smart budgeting, energy-efficient appliances, or innovative home improvements, the goal is always the same: to make the most out of what we have while spending less. We all want a comfortable home, but nobody wants to see their energy bills skyrocket. High energy costs can be a significant burden, especially during the colder months when heating is essential, or in the summer when air conditioning is a must. It's a constant balancing act between maintaining a cozy living environment and keeping those monthly bills in check. The good news is, skylights can actually help you save on energy costs. These innovative additions to your home are more than just aesthetic upgrades. They are practical solutions that bring in natural light and reduce the need for artificial lighting. Imagine waking up to a sunlit room feeling the warmth and brightness of the day without having to flip a single switch. Here's how. By flooding your home with natural light during the day, you reduce your reliance on artificial lighting. Natural light not only enhances the ambiance of your living spaces, but also has numerous health benefits, including boosting your mood and productivity. Plus, it helps you save on electricity, which is a win-win situation. Less time with the lights on means less energy consumed, which translates into lower electricity bills. Over time, these savings can add up significantly, making a noticeable difference in your household budget. It's a simple yet effective way to cut down on unnecessary expenses and allocate those funds to other important areas of your life. In fact, studies have shown that homes with skylights can see a reduction in energy costs by as much as 10 to 15%. This means that not only are you enjoying a brighter, more inviting home, but you're also making a smart financial decision that pays off in the long run. The initial investment in skylights can quickly be recouped through the savings on your energy bills. That's money back in your pocket month after month. Imagine what you could do with those extra savings. Perhaps a family vacation, home improvements, or simply building up your emergency fund. The possibilities are endless when you have a little extra financial breathing room. And remember, we're not just talking about cost savings here. We're talking about reducing your environmental footprint by using less energy. Skylights allow you to harness the power of the sun, a renewable and sustainable energy source, to light up your home. This means you're not only saving money but also contributing to a healthier planet by reducing your reliance on non-renewable energy sources. So you can feel good about making a choice that's good for your wallet and the planet. By investing in skylights, you're taking a step towards a more sustainable and financially secure future. It's a decision that benefits you, your family, and the environment, creating a brighter, happier home for everyone. We've talked about light, but skylights offer another amazing benefit: ventilation. Think of them as breathing windows for your home. Open them up and you create a natural chimney effect, drawing fresh air in and pushing stale air out. This is particularly beneficial in rooms that tend to get stuffy, like bathrooms and kitchens. Proper ventilation helps reduce moisture buildup, which can prevent mold and mildew growth, a major win for a healthy home. But the benefits extend beyond just air quality. Good ventilation also helps regulate temperature, keeping your home cooler in the summer and reducing the need for air conditioning. So not only do you get to enjoy a constant flow of fresh air, but you also save on energy costs. It's a win-win. Section 5, Value Boost, Skylights and your home's worth. Let's face it, folks, when it comes to our homes, we're always thinking about value. We want to invest in upgrades that not only enhance our enjoyment but also increase our property's worth down the line. Well, guess what? Skylights tick both boxes. You see, skylights are more than just functional additions. They're desirable features that can significantly boost your home's appeal to potential buyers. That abundance of natural light, the improved ventilation, the energy savings, these are all major selling points. In fact, studies have shown that homes with skylights can see a value increase of up to 20%. That's a significant return on investment, making skylights a smart choice for both your current and future self. Section 6, Size and Placement, Getting it right. Now, before you go rushing off to install skylights all over your roof, let's talk about size and placement. These two factors are critical in ensuring that your skylight not only looks good but also functions effectively. Getting these right is crucial to maximizing the benefits of your skylights. Firstly, size matters. The size of your skylight will determine how much natural light enters your space, which can significantly impact the ambiance and energy efficiency of your home. A skylight that's too small won't have the desired impact, leaving your room dim and underwhelming. It might not provide enough light to make a noticeable difference, especially in larger spaces. On the other hand, one that's too large can overwhelm the space and lead to overheating. Excessive sunlight can make a room uncomfortably warm, increasing your cooling costs and potentially damaging furniture and flooring. The key is to choose a size that's proportional to the room and the amount of light you want to bring in. Consider the dimensions of your space and how the light will be distributed throughout the day. Placement is equally important. The direction your skylight faces will affect the amount and intensity of light it receives throughout the day. For instance, a skylight facing east will capture the morning sun, providing bright light early in the day but less in the afternoon. For example, a south-facing skylight will provide consistent light throughout the day, making it ideal for spaces where you need steady illumination. However, it can also result in more heat gain, so consider this if you live in a warmer climate. Conversely, a north-facing skylight will offer softer, more diffused light, which is perfect for creating a calm and serene atmosphere. This orientation minimizes heat gain and is great for rooms where you want a more subdued lighting effect. Ultimately, the right size and placement of your skylight can transform your living space, enhancing both its aesthetic appeal and functionality. Take the time to plan carefully and consult with professionals to ensure you get it right. Section 7. Types of skylights. Finding the perfect fit. Not all skylights are created equal, folks. Just like windows, they come in various styles, materials, and features to suit different needs and preferences. Fixed skylights, as the name suggests, are stationary and offer a cost-effective way to bring in natural light. Venting skylights, on the other hand, can be open to provide ventilation, making them ideal for rooms prone to moisture or stuffiness. Then you have tubular skylights, a more compact and affordable option that uses a reflective tube to channel sunlight into your home. These are great for smaller spaces or areas where a traditional skylight isn't feasible. Section 8. Installation considerations, professional expertise. Now I know what you're thinking. Mike, can't I just grab my toolbox and tackle this myself? And while I applaud the DIY spirit, installing skylights is a job best left to the pros. Proper installation is crucial to prevent leaks, ensure energy efficiency, and maximize the lifespan of your skylights. A qualified installer will have the experience and expertise to assess your roof, determine the best placement and size for your skylights, and ensure a watertight seal. Trust me, folks, this is not the time to cut corners. A shoddy skylight installation can lead to costly repairs down the line, so do yourself a favor and bring in the experts. Section 9. Conclusion, a bright choice for your home. So there you have it, folks. Skylights, they're not just holes in your roof. They're portals to a brighter, healthier, and more valuable home. From the mood-boosting power of natural light to the energy savings and ventilation benefits, skylights offer a winning combination that's hard to beat. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, consider incorporating these incredible additions. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. And remember, folks, when it comes to your home, always make sure it's done right.